Students, in this video, we will solve some problems related to slope of a straight line. Slope of a straight line, as we know, is obtained by tan theta or by 2 minus by 1 upon x2 minus x1. And third form, if y is equal to mx plus c is equation of a straight line, then m be slope. So slope may be obtained in these three ways. If equation of line is given, then convert line in this form and coefficient of x be slope. Some questions related to these. If theta equals to pi by 6, pi by 6 means this theta, this angle pi by 6 means 30 degree or 30 degree is inclination of line with x-axis like this. Line is making this angle 30 degree or pi by 6. The slope of this line will be obtained by using this method. M is equal to tan theta. Slope is denoted by M. So slope M is equal to tan 30 degree, and tan 30 degree be 1 upon root 3. If theta is negative, like if theta equals to minus pi by 6 or minus 30 degree, then slope M equals to tan minus 30 degree and be minus 1 upon root 3. Second question, if coordinates of 2 points on a line are 1, 2 and minus 3, 4, then slope coordinates of 2 points on a line are given, then slope may be obtained in this way: by 2 minus by 1 upon x2 minus x1. That is by 2 minus by 1 upon x2 minus x1. x1, y1 are coordinates of first point and x2, y2 are coordinates of second point. So by 2 is here 4 and y1 is 2. x2 is minus 3 and x1 is 1. So 2 upon minus 4 equals to minus 1 upon 2 is slope of line. Third question. Five, 6, 2, 3 and 9 minus 2, 6 minus 5. 6, 3, 1, 1 and minus 2, 5, 2 minus 5. C 3, 15, 16, 6 and minus 5, 3, 8, 2. These are coordinates of some pair of points. One pair of point is this, other point is this, and these are three questions. In this we have to check two lines. One line passing through this pair of point and other line is passing through this pair of line. They are perpendicular to each other or parallel to each other or neither perpendicular nor parallel. So to check this, find slope of this pair of line. Solution of A part. Find slope of line passing through these 2 points M1 by 2 minus by 1, x1 by 1, x2 by 2 by 2 is 3 here, 3 minus 6 upon x2 minus x1, 2 minus 5, minus 3 upon minus 3 equals to plus 1, minus and minus will cancel, plus 1, m2 m2 slope of another pair of line passing through these 2 points, then slope by 2 minus 5 minus by 1 minus plus 2 upon x2 minus x1, 6 minus 9, and slope is minus 3 upon minus 3 equals to 1. Since slope of these two lines are equal, slope of line passing through this point is 1 and slope of line passing through these 2 points is 1. Since m1 is equal to m2, so lines are parallel. This is the sign of parallel. Lines are parallel. In B part, slope of line passing through first pair of points by 2 minus by 1 minus 3 upon x2 minus x1, 1 minus 6, so minus 2 upon minus 5 or 2 upon 5. M2, the slope of other line passing through this pair of points by 2 is minus 5, by 1 5 upon x2 minus x1, 2 minus plus 2, so minus 10 upon 4 or minus 5 upon 2. M1 into M2, 2 upon 5 into minus 5 upon 2 provides us minus 1. And since M1, M2 is equal to minus 1, means lines are mutually perpendicular. This is sign of perpendicular. If product of slopes of lines is equal to minus 1, then lines are mutually perpendicular. Third question in C part, M1 slope of line through these 2 points by 2 minus by 1 upon x2 minus x1 equals to minus 9 upon 30. M2, the slope of other line passing through this pair of points by 2 minus by 1 upon x2 minus x1, so minus 1 upon 30. Here slopes are neither equal nor their product is minus 1. So these are intersecting line, neither making right angle nor 0 degree angle. So these are neither parallel nor perpendicular because M1 is not equal to M2 and M1 into M2 is not equal to minus 1. So they are neither parallel nor perpendicular. One more question. Fourth question. if 3 points A coordinates are h, 0, B h, k. Suppose this point is P and B 0, k. We change here the coordinates of this point P. If 3 points A, P and B coordinates are h0, AB and 0, k are on the same line, then prove that A upon h plus B upon k is equal to 1. So these 3 points are collinear. Collinear means they are in same line, like this. A point, B point, P point, not B, and B point is here. So if these 3 points are in same line, so slope of line AP and slope of line PB are same. M1 slope of AP equals to y2 minus y1. Coordinates of A are h, 0. Coordinates of P are AB and coordinates of B are 0, k. So y2 minus y1 B minus 0 upon A minus h. Slope of AP line. M2 slope of PB line. Y2 k minus B, k minus B upon x2 minus x1, 0 minus a. In AP, this is x1 y1 and these are x2 y2. In PB, x1 y1 are these coordinates, x2 y2 are 0, k. So this line B upon this slope B upon A minus h, and there is k minus B upon minus a. And points are in same line. So slope of AP and PB are equal. Use this condition, M1 is equal to M2. Since M1 equals to M2, B upon A minus h, value of M1, K minus B upon minus A, value of M2, and solve them. Minus AB, AK, minus AB, minus HK, and plus AH. AB negative from both sides will cancel and transfer this HK to this side. HK equals to AK plus this is BH, not AH, BH. Dividing by HK. So HK upon HK 1, AK upon HK plus BH upon HK. Here K will cancel, here H will cancel, so we get A upon H plus B upon K is equal to 1. So this is the proof for these conditions by using slopes. These are some questions related to slopes of a straight line. Thank you.